Own a condo and experience a parkside living in one of the biggest township development of Mega World and designed to be the next BGC of the South. This is Maple Grove. Hi, good morning investors. Hello mga kabayan. I'm Ken Manansala, Senior Property Consultant from Mega World Corporation. In this video, I'm going to be touring you with a 2-bedroom unit for Maple Park Residences. So watch this video to know more. And now I'm going to be showing you the model unit for the 2-bedroom unit here in Maple Park Residences. So this one is a 72.5 square meter. I'm going to be showing you the deliverables and what to expect with this specific unit. Tara, let's check it out. And now we are here in the model unit for Maple Park Residences, 2-bedroom model unit. So upon entering the main door, so we have here a door made out of solid wood. So once we enter that door, we will be greeted by the dining area. So as you can see, mas maraming mga occupied na people when it comes to going to dinner, lunch, or breakfast. So here naman, for the kitchen area, if you love to cook, especially for people na magaling sa pagluluto, so we have here a solid granite na countertop. We actually have part of the deliverables natin are the overhead cabinets and then under counter cabinets that are all soft closing. So for the 2-bedroom guys, we will be getting 4-burner cooktops and then range hood, and then we also have here an oven. So in this location, this will be a provision for your fridge. Ayan. So now let's go to the master's bedroom. So this will be the area for your master's bedroom. So as you can see guys, sobrang laki niya. So it's up to you on how will you design this whole bedroom. So here, as part of the deliverables, magkakaroon tayo ng 3-door na modular cabinets. Ayan. So here naman, this will be for the toilet and bath for the master's bedroom. So all the sanitary pictures in this videos are included upon turnover. And also guys, to give you an idea, this whole condominium is already a smart home. So as you can see, soft touch ng ating mga switches. And here, we will be greeted also by the living area. So napakalaki din siya. And it's up to you kung paano mo malagyan ng couch or depending with your interior designer kung paano mapapaganda yung space mo. And this area naman will be the balcony. So, hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo. So this will be the look of the whole balcony. Ayan. So after this area location, pupunta naman tayo with the first bedroom, since this is a 2-bedroom unit. So this is the other room. So ang difference lang siya with the master bedroom is that ang kanya modular cabinet is 2 doors lang siya. But in terms of the air conditioner, we'll be getting a window type air conditioner. Next, let's go to the common toilet and bath. So for the common toilet and bath, so all the sanitary fixtures in this video will also be included upon turnover of your property. And now, what's good about this 2-bedroom model unit is that it has its own maid's room. So here, as you can see, this 2-bedroom model unit can be converted into 3-bedroom units since meron tayong maid's room. And this location or area can be converted also for your pantry, office space, or even a playground for your kids. Since it has also a sanitary pictures for toilet and bath. This high-end condominium is perfect for you for your personal or investment, especially with your hard-earned money. So if you want to know more about this amazing project, we can do a showroom visit. All my details are being flashed on your screen. Once again, I'm Ken Manansala, Senior Property Consultant from Mega World Corporation, and I'll be helping you finding your perfect investment and your dream home.